Yes, this is a demonstration of Airmail or Winlink on a Raspberry Pi 4, and it's being emulated over Box86 and then Wine, so it's a double emulation. Now, this is the startup, well, starting right now, of Airmail. Takes about 10 seconds. Okay, so it's up. Now, everything works on this except for spell check. You can see that you don't see anything as far as Box86 emulation or Wine emulation going in the background. Now I'm going to bring on the modem. And it just used rig control to tie into my modem and my radio. And I'll do send and receive, although this is mid-afternoon and I get very poor propagation in Mazatlan Marina in a forest of masts, aluminum masts. So you can see it all works though. I have sent and received successfully. The catalogs work on this as well. I'll bring up catalogs here. You can see all the catalogs are here, and they function correctly, and so do the grips.